Hello viewer, it's a leaf here. We will use the shapes. Write another design. Make an angle there. Use a paint. Move on the structure. So there is a shape. Again create a new structure. I will try to make the changes there. Having that designs to explore it. Thank you for watching our video.